Hi, Dave Greaves here. I've been doing some work on the Qt finger scrolling. These are the absolutely bog standard demos that come with Qt, not changed the source in any way. You can still kind of click on things, put them on the screen, but now what you can do is you can scroll the screen about by moving on it. I'm using this instead of my finger. It works quite well with a finger, but it blocks the camera a bit. And of course you still need to be able to drag on individual items and move them about themselves. So you can put an item on, click on it, drag it and move it about without scrolling the background. But you know, if you want, you can obviously still scroll. Kinetic's turned on, so you kind of get this kind of effect afterwards, which eventually slows down and stops. Here's another demo. This is it's called Painter Paths. It's drawing letters using some kind of stroking mechanism. But what it does is, okay, it lets you change the angle and stuff, and it lets you pick a different colour. So you could go on, you could pick dark khaki if you wanted or something. What other colours there are? So you can kind of scroll through and see, and we'll go for light grey. That's a bit boring. Let's go for, oops. Yes, salmon. There's one up there. Light salmon. There we go. Odd even or winding. Don't know what that does, but again, more colours that you can pick from here. Grey. Okay. This one popped up. No idea what it is. It uses some kind of chart widget, but again, it just works, and all the kind of clicky capabilities that it's got, where it highlights sectors on the pie chart and what have you. The box on this side also usually scrolls. This is the rich text solution. So if you click on it, you get the soft keyboard. Okay. And of course, you still got the ability to double click on the screen. You can even still drag and drop the text around if you wanted, but that works quite nicely. This is a tree model. This is one of their widget tree controller thingies, where you can expand it and eventually scroll bars start to appear. And when they do, you want to be able to kind of scroll up and down. And still doesn't have any click facilities, this one, as far as I'm aware. This is a full kind of ordinary app. The dbus viewer, so you can kind of scroll up and click on things in here. Okay, so you can do that a few times. What that does, you put a bit more text in this box at the bottom. Again, none of the source code's changed at all. These are just using the standard enhanced scroll areas. Just change the shared library out from underneath everything. Another text one, again just showing this. It's rather nice. It works quite effectively. And of course, as we kind of said, all the other odds and sods. So yeah, it's not enough there. You can still double click. Triple click doesn't work in this one, and drag and drop still works, so you can still use that, even though scrolling works quite nicely. The trick, as you probably notice, is you have to touch the screen just ever so slightly, fractions of a second, versus if you touch and move, you get scrolling. If you touch and then move, you get highlighting. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it.